All right, guys.
Hey guys.
Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you tell everybody your name?
My name is Nicholas.
Hi, Nicholas.
Are
Can you
you-
tell everyone how old you are?
I'm 3.
You're 3.
And we want to dig some dinosaur tooth up.
You're gonna dig a dinosaur tooth up. Let's see. What do we have here today? We have
A dinosaur tooth.
National Geographic Dino Fossil Dig Kit. We're gonna excavate a T-Rex tooth replica. That's why we have our T-Rex here joining the fun.
Yeah.
So this is what our tooth is supposed to look like. And you get a extra special feature here. And it's a genuine, it's genuine, Nicholas.
Well, genuine.
Dino poop specimen inside. My goodness. Are you gonna start a collection of dinosaurs? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, baby. Let's sit down and get this thing opened.
Yeah. Let's do this.
It comes in this little box
Yeah.
and it's part of STEM,
Stem.
science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we have, this kit will include 1 dig brick, 1 carded coprolite specimen, 1 T-Rex tooth replica, 1 magnifying glass. Do you know what's in it?
I know.
1 dig tool, 1 brush, 1 learning guide with instructions. Dino Fossil Dig Kit. Excavate a genuine T-Rex tooth replica from our new and bigger dinosaur dig brick. A full color learning guide inside teaches about dinosaurs and fossil information too. And then our little dig brick will be here, and then inside will be this nice T-Rex tooth replica. And it should include some tools here and a magnifying glass, a little brush,
Yeah.
the genuine dinosaur poop. Let's get it opened.
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Are you just so excited?
Yes, I am.
I'm pretty excited too. We were shopping and where did we get this? We got this on Amazon
Yeah.
for, was it $9.99?
Yes.
And it came in a couple days and Nicholas has been patiently waiting to open it up.
Yes.
All right, baby, let's get started.
Yeah, let's get started.
Here we go. So we just opened the seal here
Yeah.
and it looks like we got like a little cardboard box inside.
Yeah.
Let's slide it open. Can you slide it out? Stick your hand in here. Pull this. Can you pull it open? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, there goes our dig brick. Let's get it back up here. Wow!
What I found?
Oh, we got more inside. Oh my goodness, this is our book?
Cool.
Can you show the book? Let's show our book.
Yeah.
What did
it
we get
says?
inside? We have,
We have. Inside.
this is the book they're talking about.
Yeah.
And it has the learning instructions and information. What are fossils? This will be nice to read. And how fossils
Yeah.
are formed.
Yeah.
Who finds fossils. How paleontologists work. This is really nice.
Whoa.
I see why this is STEM because it gives you all this other
Wow,
cool
and-
information.
And it's really bumpy.
And it might be nice to read the book first before you actually do the excavating. And then this is in this little plastic bag. We have a magnifying glass, Nicholas. We have a little brush and our tool, our excavating tool. Nicholas, did you see what this is? That's your dinosaur poop. Are you gonna hold it?
Yes.
Are you gonna smell it?
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding.
No, not.
Here,
Yeah, we're gonna play with it.
We're gonna play with the poop.
We
I think we should excavate.
have to excavate this poop.
He wants to excavate. No, Nicholas. We keep it in the box. We don't want to hold the poop. We just look at the poop.
Yeah.
I mean, you know. So this is our bad guy here.
Yeah. And we got a dancer poop, or dancer tooth,
Yeah.
and or tools.
So what we're gonna do next is get our table ready to excavate.
Yeah.
We're gonna
And
put
we got
some-
a box.
What do we have here? Just some paper bags, and we'll set it up, and we'll get this plastic removed from our excavation brick.
Yeah. And we have some tools.
Very
to
nice.
stick it up. Looks.
All right. See you soon.
See you soon. Yeah.
I think Nicholas is all ready. You got your tools.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what tools you have?
I have my blind glass and my paintbrush, and this is
A digger?
yeah.
It's a digger.
It's a
Here, are you ready? Okay.
That's the big. Yeah.
Wow.
It's stuck.
Why does it show a triceratops? Do we not know whose poop it is? We just don't know what kind of dinosaur poop it is.
Yeah, that's my poop.
It's your poop?
Yeah.
This is your poop.
Yeah, right.
Okay. So this is Nicholas's poop. I thought this was dinosaur poop.
It is dinosaur poop. See, it has triceratops and Tyrannosaurus Rex on it.
So which one did the poop?
Oh, this is the poop.
But which one pooped?
Oh, I was into actually Tyrannosaurus Rex. And then next to the Triceratops. That's what up to it is.
Wow, you're making a big hole? All right, we'll check back in and see how you're doing in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
See how far you get.
Really close.
Are you getting really close?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's a lot.
We'll see you in a little bit, okay?
Okay.
And see how far we get.
Yeah.
So we've gotten maybe halfway. And it looks like the tooth is sitting on one side of the brick.
Well, maybe we can pull it out.
No, it says not to pull it out because the tooth can break. So you never pull your fossil out because it can break. You have to make sure you free it from all the dirt. So
Right.
get your digger. Get your digger and keep digging.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. We're getting kind of dusty here.
I'm dig on you. I got you.
All right. Gonna keep digging.
We can see something. You have some dirt.
Oh, thank you. I wonder why.
But I'm gonna clean.
I wonder why.
I'm gonna clean it off. With this.
Oh, you're gonna clean it off with that? Okay, thank you.
There's more dirt.
We're making progress. We're making progress. It's starting to like detach from the brick. And Nicholas, are you getting really excited?
Yes.
Remember never to pull your tooth out
No.
because your tooth can break.
Yes. I'm really
Wow.
excited.
You're so close.
Yes, I am. Because I get this piece out.
That's a big piece.
This is a big piece too.
Oh! You got it! You got it out!
Okay. I'm doing this. This one.
Oh my gosh, Nicholas. Wow.
Whoa. It looks like this one. Yep, it is. Yep.
Okay, let's not put it in your mouth. You got no. We have to wash it, Nicholas.
Have to wash it.
Yeah,
And
You-
bathtub.
in the bathtub.
Yep.
Yeah.
We have to begin.
Why don't you brush it some more? Get all the dirt off of it.
Okay.
Get your little brush and brush some more. Really get it clean, okay?
Okay.
And you want to go rinse it inside?
Yeah.
And let's clean your mouth, because I don't think we should put the tooth in our mouth, not until it's clean at least. Okay, we're gonna go wash it.
Yep. Have fun.
You had fun
Yeah.
excavating your tooth? Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you do it again?
Yeah, tomorrow.
You want to do it again tomorrow?
Yeah, but I'm gonna get my dinosaur eggs now.
Well, you want dinosaur eggs too?
Yeah, because I didn't buy one.
You
Oh,
know-
good. There was a lot of dinosaur too.
Okay. Well, can you tell me about your tooth? Is it heavy?
No.
Is it sharp?
No.
It's not heavy and it's not sharp.
Oh.
Is it big?
Yes. You was.
Well, hi, Zachary.
You was. Okay. And what is this?
So I guess it's just time to read the book
Yeah. Can we
and learn about your tooth?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, say
Wow.
thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.